Hey, dear folks, welcome back. We are all set to start another amazing session of Learning Excel with experts, that is, Edulite, in partnership with Let's Master with us, learn the fun way. So, without eating into your time anymore, let's start today's session.
We are glad to present our second series of Learning Excel named Greenbelt. By the time we will complete this series, you will find yourself on a completely new pedestal of learning that is competent. In this series, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about some very powerful and useful features and functions of Excel. Oops, what is this? Garbage in, garbage out. A very simple but very valid statement. If we end up entering an erroneous data, the output that we will receive will also be erroneous. So, in order to avoid landing up in such a messy situation, in first section of this series, we will discuss about data entry mistake proofing in Excel using validations, drop-down list, and dependent drop-down list. In Excel, user not only enters data manually, but populating data from one table or array to another table or array is very common in Excel. And to populating data, we use functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and referencing. Once we had required data available, we will learn about performing some advanced and complex operations on numbers. In this series, we will talk about 20 odd advanced mathematical operations. In our data sets, we may have dates and times and encounter situations where we have to perform operations on these data sets. For example, finding difference between two times. But user may not get the desired result by simply deducting one time from the another. In this series, we will learn how to deal with data sets which are related to time, that is working with date and time. Excel also has capability of performing logical functions. In this series, we will learn about 9 different logical operations or 9 different ways of checking conditions. Now that we have correct data set available with us, what next? In the later half of this series, we will learn about analyzing the data. And to do the data analysis in Excel, we will use functions like sorting and filters. If we talk about filters in Excel, there are 2 types of filters. That is auto filter and advanced filter. Once our data is being sorted, filtered, analyzed, the next logical step is to present the data to the end users. And we will discuss about presenting the data by playing with graphs and shapes in Excel. With this, we come to an end of our today's video. Hope you like the video. So please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And yes, please share with your friends. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you are notified as soon as we upload a new video. So, till we meet next, thanks for joining us and we will be back soon with new video.